Well, the old room is all cleaned out. We got everything, I think. Wow, sad day. As you can see, we are all packed up. We are full to the bone. I had to stop up in Bemidji and grab some stuff for my brother. But we are off on a new adventure. We are actually headed home. We packed everything out of FishN's house. We are actually headed out to Connecticut. I took a job out there, and we're gonna stop a few places on the way. I gotta be out there Sunday the 7th. I don't know how much longer this is gonna be posted after that, but yeah, we're taking off. We're leaving. But we got a lot of this ahead of us, so let's get a lot of that out of the way. Let's go. See you later. See you maybe in Chicago. And just like that, we are on the road. We unpacked, repacked, slept 2 nights hardly though, just like last night. I got a couple hours of sleep, but we're off. We are on the road. Connecticut bound. Here we go. All right, well, first bathroom break and gas fill up. So we have made it to central Wisconsin. It is a beautiful day. It is 71 degrees, just ripping a Teal's Bass Galaxy podcast. But yeah, we're just driving. We got, I don't even know, a long ways to go. We are only about a tenth of the way into it or so. We got miles ahead of us. But let's get some gas and get right back on the road. And the adventure continues. Stopped, got gas, took a pee. And we are back on the road, just short of Madison, Wisconsin. We got a long ways to go. As you can see, we're coming to stops every here and again. Bumper to bumper. We are getting close to Chicago, I believe. I think we're only like 30 miles out, so nothing to expect but trees. The trees are green. They're popping leaves. Spring is really in the air. But yeah, let's focus on getting through this. Just rolling up to Chicago. We have been at it for a while now. It's currently like 3 o'clock. We left at 7 this morning, but just getting used to this view. It's gonna be like this for a while. We are putting our way into Indiana. Just giving her. The sun is setting. We have 2 more hours till our first overnight stay. But yeah, sun's going down. Gorgeous evening. 63 degrees. Just cruising. We made it to Ohio. Sun is down, and we're still chugging along. made it. We got the pillow. We are about ready to hit the sack. But yeah, we are moving. We are heading out to Connecticut right now. We are in sleep stop, I would calling it, number 1. We're gonna make this a 2-night little deal, and we are headed. Right behind me actually is a very scenic, touristy little stop that you can make off the way out to Connecticut. So when we wake up, there's gonna be a pretty awesome view, and then we're gonna get on with our trip. But for now, we're gonna hit the sack, get some sleep, a couple hours of sleep, and then we're gonna get out of here. Good morning. As you guys can probably see right now, I will overlay it, but we are at a lighthouse. Actually, it is the oldest lighthouse on U.S. grounds that is still in use, that still works. We got a guy right now taking pictures, so obviously I came to a good spot for a scenic view, but the sun is just coming up, and yeah, we're just gonna wait for the sun to come up just a little bit more. We're gonna get some shots, and we're gonna get back on the road. We got like 9-10 more hours to do today, so I feel like if I can get almost there, that'll be good enough. Don't know where I'm staying again tonight. Kind of just gonna find a place on the side of the road, hunker down, grab the pillow, grab a blanket, and get back to some sleep. But yeah, we're up. Travel day number 2, and yeah, just waiting on the sun right now. As you guys saw, this place is pretty crazy. I didn't walk around too much. I mean, I scoped it out a little bit, but with it still being like 6 a.m. and people here taking pictures, I didn't want to get in the way or be in the shot of anyone else. So I flew the drone around. I hope you guys enjoyed that, but let's get back on the road. We got like 9-10 more hours ahead of us, so gas tank's already filled. Let's go. Just rolling through Cleveland. We were not too far, but here we are. Some sick views this morning. First at the lighthouse, I got this. Come on. Don't get too much better than that. Got the Guardians field. Freaking sick. Well, that is gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the travel video, the lighthouse stealth camping, and just the new adventure that we are partaking in. We got a lot of driving still ahead of us, and I believe we're gonna do one more stop, make one more video for you guys on the way out there. Out there being Connecticut. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys could go down, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, comment, and share this video with anyone, I would greatly appreciate it. Until next time, peace.
Yeah.